This material instance lets you easily control the swaying amplitude and frequency of the grass. You only need to adjust these two parameters to change the animation. This axis controls the sway direction. RGB stands for XYZ. If you change it to 0, 1, 0, the grass will sway on the y-axis. Only these three parameters should be adjusted. Do not change the others. Adjust this parameter can control the amplitude of grass swaying when the character interacts with it. You can replace the grass texture with any image you draw or import, and it will work the same way. Drop BP grass into the viewport, create some new interactive grasses, adjust the y-axis value. This project uses Blueprint only. It don't have any code. If you want to import this system into your project, copy the interactive grass folder from the content directory into the content folder of your own project. Then open your project. In this demo, I'm using the third-person template. Click Import in the bottom right corner. Next, open BP Grass and fix the broken nodes. Here, cast to third-person character. Then promote the reference to a variable. After that, open your character blueprint and create a new variable called direction. Set its type to float. Set this variable in the movement input logic. Then compile and save. Go back to BP Grass. Get the direction variable you just created. Compile again. Finally, drag the actor into the level. And it's ready to use.